The bout number 8. We have in the blue corner, straight out of Bangladesh top team, reigning 63.6 kilograms, Nibir.
ফাইট কেজে দেখি কার কত খার হেই 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 ফাইট কেজে দেখি কার কত খার
Now in the red corner, straight out of Rangamati Combat Gym, reigning 62.6 kilograms, Sudipto.
ফাইট কেজে দেখি কার কত খার হেই 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 ফাইট কেজে দেখি কার কত খার look at this এটা হইল
We have the referee A.K. Tanha with us.
One of my favorite fighters in Khar, Sudipto, is fighting right now, wearing the red tapes.
And Nibir on the blue. No respect.
Nibir
Right on
immediate-
attack straight away. Both look like strikers. Both of them look very sleek as well. Knows what they're doing. Oh, nice evasion by Sudipto.
Good jabs by Sudipto. Proper body awareness, like an actual MMA fighter from Sudipto we are seeing.
Just moving an inch back. Only an inch to make him miss.
Nibir going from orthodox to southpaw.
Oh, that's good head movement, but
Oh.
Nibir going all in. 1-2 and 1-2s.
I like how Nibir keeps on constantly moving and not becoming a one target. Oh, solid outside low kick.
That was loud.
See how Nibir je constantly move করতেছে
That's
এটাই দরকার.
fantastic right hand.
Oh shit. he
Directly
ran
took
into a
him on the
punch.
ground.
He needs to get out immediately.
Great athleticism. Took him, gave her death roll again. একদম death roll দিয়ে বের হয়ে গেছে.
Sudipto needs to disengage those legs, put it under Nibir's hips, and then just bridge as hard as he can.
Push him out, right?
Right now, Sudipto is in full guard. He's minimizing damages from Nibir though.
You're not letting him do any types of submission moves. Not leaving any gaps.
এটা আবার অনেকক্ষণ চললে কিন্তু referee might break them, you know. So in these cases, referee sees whether two fighters are actually working. If you're not working, then they might be.
If you're stalling time, the referee's gonna break you off. It's just 3 minutes inside the cage, so every second is valuable. And referee wouldn't appreciate you wasting that time.
Also, Sudipto is in a pretty complicated position. Or মাথার side cage, আর নিচের দিকে তো Nibir. So you know you are stuck either ways.
হ্যাঁ ব্যাকা হয়ে মাথার উপরে প্রেসার লাগাটা toll. Sudipto is almost out though. একটু রোল করলে বের হয়ে যেতে পারবে.
Nibir, I think, wants to go on a full mount. That's why. And yeah, Sudipto is doing exactly. See?
It's pushing him up. দুই পা ইউজ করে just squatting. But Nibir not budging.
10 seconds.
Sudipto needs to get his legs in underneath Nibir and then push up, you know? So it throws him off.
But we are on to the last few seconds and we are done with round 1.
in a way wise move by Sudipto, you know, like
Yeah,
just weather the storm right now. যখন
Yeah.
পাঞ্চ খাচ্ছি না,
They'll try
Seconds
to
out.
finish each other off.
Nibir getting cornered by Ashraful Islam, one of the legendary coaches in the game. And you can clearly see from all the fighters that came from Bangladesh top team, I think he's doing pretty good.
Pretty good. He's in well control, not panicking. That's very important. Whether on or under, he's not panicking. Both
That
of
is
them
a
actually.
very classic Ashraful move, constantly changing the chances. একবার orthodox থেকে একবার south পথে যায়.
Keeping his opponents guessing. Sudipto still taking his time, playing by the inches. Sudipto should engage more, and that's a good
solid
kick.
low kick to the body.
Good kick to the body, trying for a takedown.
But
But Nibir showing great strength.
I like the sense of urgency Nibir is showing. He's a very explosive fighter, Nibir.
Very explosive.
But he needs to be careful because Sudipto can attack like limbs very easily, as we can clearly see. এখানে।
আর এইসব টাইমে কিন্তু we always hear যে high altitude training. Sudipto is legit from a high altitude training ground. So endurance এর ক্ষেত্রে কিন্তু Sudipto might
Proper
surprise
armbar
us.
and tap.
He got him. And that's over. That was an
That's
armbar,
the
right?
proper armbar, yes, by Sudipto.
That was a fantastic execution by Sudipto.
What
Brilliant.
an amazing transition, just from one transition to another. নিবিড়ের কিন্তু ট্রানজিশন খুব ভালোই ছিল, বাট এত ফাস্ট যে সুদীপ্ত এটাকে রিভার্স করে একটা আর্মবার নিয়ে যাবে, মানে আই ডিডন্ট সি দ্যাট।
Brilliant, like a flash.
প্রপার হিব্রিড ছিল। We can see সুদীপ্ত।
The winner by submission, Sudipto!
Well deserved.
ফাইট
Well,
কেজে
it's a very
দেখি
well
কার
deserved.
কত খার হেই ফাইট কেজে দেখি কার 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 কত খার হেই